Zamani finally reacted and shared publicly why he parted ways with Black Brain Pictures. So to find out why, then watch this video till the end. The internet was shaken a few months back when news that Zamani, who plays the character of Castle Kuloni TV soap Isitha The Enemy, is exiting the show. Fans were so worried, showing by social media comments that they are not okay with Zamani leaving. And of course, most fans were seeking a reason of his exit, and I remember that I was one of those fans. I mean, this whole show is about him and his brother Ukuma. I was so confused with why would the producers allow this to happen. So we were blaming the producers, and because of that, the Black Brain Pictures came and cleared the air. They released a statement, and in that statement, they made it clear that they don't want Zamani to go and that they will do everything in their power to negotiate a contract that will be suitable for both the production company and Zamani. So for a while after that, fans were cooled down up until last weekend when Zamani announced that he's leaving the show, and there's nothing wrong with their contract. He's only leaving because he feels like he has been on the character for a very long time, and as a result, he's now bored. He wants to try something new and different. And his exact quote was as follows, and I quote: "As an artist, I believe in not doing something for too long. I've been doing telenovelas for 2 years now, and I think it's time to move on. I have something coming up which is exciting, and I hope it will be as exciting for my fans as well." End quote. Well, as we all know, that Isitha The Enemy is currently on episode 240, meaning that we're only a few episodes left before the finale. So, the creators of the show have to shake up fans in order for them to have more viewers when season 1 ends and more viewers when season 2 starts. So, I am not sure whether this re-announcement was a strategy from Zamani or a strategy from the producers. What I'm saying about is that this news will get more people to watch Isitha The Enemy because we're all excited and can't wait to see how Kai is going to leave the show. I wish they can come up with a creative way of editing his character without him being killed. He can just go missing or decide to go in hiding after him and Kuma killed someone very important in the country. You know, that kind of a plot. But then, I am not an Isitha writer, so the writers will do what the writers want. And with that being said, guys, do communicate in the comment section and share your thoughts and opinions regarding this topic. And if you enjoyed content on this video, please like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share it on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on TikTok. So this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.